Alright, hey guys, we're gonna be playing some Risk of Rain 2 today. Uh, I mean, let's let's jump into it. Alright. So start a new profile for this. Because I just released the DLC recently. And, I don't know, I think it'll be fun to go through and recollect everything. Alright. So this is the new character we get for free, well, free, in the DLC without unlocking anything. This is the new one for unlocking the character, but we have to work towards that first. So yeah, and as you can tell, not a single secondary or second option for loadout. So yeah, let's just jump into this. Alright. Kicking off the monsoon run, always fun. That's one thing I love about this railgunner, you can see where the enemies are just by scoping in. Oh, I remembered my keybinds aren't correct, so let me do that. Alright, now that I got that out of the way, we continue. Honestly, the railgunner with this update is just like the original Huntress, but way better. Except for movement speed. He kind of, I mean, granted, I can do this, but kind of lacks on the movement speed side of things. But of course, given this is a roguelike game, and you can collect items, that can be worked around. Okay. Miss that weak spot. Good job, Ethan. Alright. Okay. So we got nothing. What's happening over here? Hey, friend. Oh, I missed. Hey, friend. Bye, friend. Oh, look at that. Oh, wait. One of the achievements to unlock something for this character is to get the critical strike spot 30 times in a row without missing. So, time to work towards that. I mean, I'm getting there. Okay, well, there's the teleporter. We'd love to see it. Where are you? Oh, no. There goes the chain. We'd love to see it. We'd love to see it. Oh, there's a friend over there. Is that the dude that we saw running a moment ago? Oh wait, I think that run. And I missed the good spot on that one. I heard that. Oh, he's down there. We don't worry about him. Now, to put it into perspective, I already have nearly 6 hours in this game. Or sorry, not 6. That's not a lot. I have over 540 hours in this game. I was gonna say relatively close to 600, but I kinda messed that up. Alright. Ooh, Bungus. Now they added a really cool item in the update that is related to Bungus, and it's arguably my new favorite item in the game. So much fun to use. I'll fly. I can fly temporarily. So hard when you play this game often to like go from the long runs with like you got a ton of movement speed because of all the items you've collected to something like this where this is the best thing I can do to even remotely speed up my movement. Another thing, Railgunner is his scope makes it incredibly easy to ping things. You. Get out of here. Alright. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take the sticky bomb. Because why not? I overshot that. I'm just gonna ignore that. Boom. Boom. I missed the good spot. Boom. Missed it again. I promise. I promise. I know what I'm doing. Man. Me. You know, I have almost 600 hours in the game, and my gameplay definitely appears to say otherwise. Like that. Ooh, hey. Forgot I have no monster logs. This is a new profile. Okay, we got a good little streak of good shots going. And I messed it up. Had to say something. There's that dude. There he is. Ooh. White scrap. Hey! It's a lunar coin. That'll be useful eventually. You need him to get one of the characters. A character that is based on one of the new items that came out in this DLC. Becoming one of my favorites. I mean, if I'm being honest, Railgunner is still at the top. But let's just say I now have I am consistently playing with more variety than almost exclusively the Huntress. Ever since this update came, or this DLC came out. You know what? I will take the Jade Elephant. Oh my god. Let's see if there's anything up here. Okay, there's a chest somewhere on the ground around here, so we'll go back to that in a minute. Ooh. You and you. God damn it. Oh, large chest. Habooski. Okay. I mean, I won't say no to a razor wire, but I won't say yeah. Oh, well. Did not know for sure that jump would give me damage. But alas. Oh my god. This is also one of the amazing items that was added. It ups all burn effects that you produce by, I think it's something like, I think it's 300%, and it also increases the length of the effect by, I think it's also 300%. Such a good item. You know, I could try to make a run for... There's an item I can get that will help me unlock a character, but given the fact that this is my first run with this profile, I think I'm just gonna do a basic run. Don't worry, I've got this. I missed because I got hit by the dudes. I will take that. See if I actually hit it this time. Thank God. Ooh. Ukulele. Makes it much easier to do damage to crowds to someone who, for a character that can't do high damage to crowds. Relatively consistency. Or I should say to more than a single enemy in quick succession. There are ways to increase the amount of shots you get all scoped in, but even then, even though you don't have to reload to shoot those shots, it still takes a second to go in between shots. Where are you? There you are. I really like the idea of these, like, weak points. I'm gonna be honest, I kind of wish they applied to every, like, everyone could use them. Maybe not to guarantee a critical strike for every character, but to at the very least, like, awesome advancement. But at the very least to, like, do bonus damage. I watched Markiplier play this back while I was still in beta. Least favorite map, maybe? He said he was wondering if there was a mechanic in the game like that. You know, they were fighting one of the things one of the bosses I killed, and asked if the eye was like a weak spot. I really like that idea of there being like the weak spots, which is, and you know, since Railgunner gets to use them. It's a really cool mechanic that was added for this character. Well, Again, granted, he is the only character, only character that can access it. But I love the character anyways, so not necessarily. I'm not complaining, you know. Honestly, say they did this right. Something good. I'll take it. So yeah, with this character, it doesn't actually increase your critical strike chance by 10%. Okay. I'm actually going to leave that there and see if I can get a recycler. Oh, maybe get something else. But anyways, critical chance doesn't get, what am I saying? Railgunner can't get critical strike chances because, I'll take that, because he already gets a guaranteed critical strike if he hits the weak point. Instead, whatever the critical chance increase is, you get that increase in damage. So, because I just picked up those glasses, my base damage for hitting a weak point increased by 10%. So, pretty handy. I mean, not exactly the item I was hoping I would get out of that question mark. Or not one of the items I was hoping I would get. But, you know, it's not a bad item. And look at that, baby. More bungus. I heard that. These things can end a run so easily. Oh, hey, look at that. 30 consecutive hyper shots without missing a weak point. That took me so much longer on my main account. Like, it's ridiculous how long it took. Alright, coolest mechanic here, I say in complete sarcasm, having to look under the water to find chests and drones. There, I'll take that monster log. Okay. There's a barrel over there. I'm gonna grab it. It really sucks. It's okay because I'm using this character, but it sucks trying to hit like enemies like this, like the jellyfish, normally with other characters on this map, because when you look down, your camera does this, and it makes it harder to see, especially wisps. Like, my god, it's ridiculous. So I guess whenever I do a run with a different character, y'all will have the pleasure of seeing me deal with that. Nope. Ooh. Man, I was just kind of hoping I would hit like two or three people just with that shot. Wasn't expecting the ukulele to trigger and kill all of them, but hey, I am not complaining. Oh, I didn't know that was actually an achievement. Thanks for the reward for failing so many times. Ocular HUD? Nah. Ocular HUD, it increases your crit strike by 100%, but for 8 seconds. Maybe I'll come get it after we beat the boss of the stage, but at least over the item I currently have, definitely better to keep this. Oh, cool, I unlocked Crowbar. Y'all will see why when it comes time for the teleporter event. That was scary. I know it didn't get time to do things, but one of those things spawns after doing a blood shrine like that. Your game flashes before your eyes. Boom. Well, there's the teleporter. Okay. Is there, no, this isn't where we go. But is there, okay. Boom. Boom. I wonder if I'll find any, Shrines of the Mountain. They, for those who don't know, they added another boss to the teleporter fight, but you get another item after the boss fight, so, you know, could be an extra green item, and if it's a good green item, hey, that's awesome. But it could also be a boss item, which they have many uses. Disposable missile launcher, always good. The Lepton Daisy, not as good, but I guess I'll take it. Sticky bomb. I hear that. Come here. Alright. I didn't mean to fall yet, but I did. As far as we're concerned, that was perfectly intended, right? Oh my god. And I missed. No, they were lined up. Well, I mean, that did it for me. See, like that. Or that. So satisfying with this character being able to just make a shot and it just plows through multiple enemies. Oh yeah, I need to go pick up the Brilliant Behemoth. If I don't... Okay, if I don't get what I'm trying to get. Is that a Bungus printer? Bungus Binter? Okay, there's a large chest over there. Nope, nope, I hear you. He's not dead. Okay, he's dead. Where's the other one? I heard another one. Come on. Oh my god. Okay. Is all that's left the large chest? Actually, I didn't check down the area. No, wait. Did I? Oh, hey. Oh my god, this run just came together. Oh my god. This might be a successful run on the first run of the profile. Don't even have all the items unlocked, and I'm already gonna possibly destroy. Where's that red item? It's over here, right? Nope, 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 Ethan. Ouch. Okay, there's the printer. Where, or not the printer, the teleporter. Where did I leave that red item? Where are you? Give me a moment, guys, while I deal with my stupidity and also run in fear of my life of the Bronzong that's trying to murder me. Come on, man, you're one of my favorite steel types in Pokemon, and now you're gonna kill me? There it is. Not only do I now have knives, they now explode. Oh, there's a chest up here that I just completely missed while I was up here. Ooh, I got their, Oh, I know, wait, there's an achievement I can get here. Wait, I just remembered. There's an achievement that unlocks a red item. You don't get the red item, but you're able to get it. Maybe, I don't know if you're able to collect the items you unlock in the run you unlocked it on, or if it has to be the next run. There it is. But, regardless, it'll unlock a red item. Gotta run in here. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. I think this is a nod to something in the first Risk of Rain game, but I don't know for sure. Oh, I never noticed there was an artifact key down here. Yo, that's dope. But yeah. There's the little thing you gotta, and then you just do that. Whoa. Here we go. Oh, hey, wait a minute. What is going on? Oh, those were the knives. God, that scared the shit out of me. Okay. Where's the teleport here? Okay. God, no shrines in the mountain. That's kind of upsetting. Anyway, well, let's get up here. You know what? Forget I said anything. He's dead. Because I would love a Titanic Barrel. Ouch. Well, I missed the... Ooh, I got the log for him. Stop. Listen. You don't want to do this. God. Another weapon, Daisy. I mean, hey. I'm not complaining too much about extra healing during a teleporter event. Just, like, if I'm being honest, not exactly the green item I want. Oh, I just realized, there's a certain, character that, since I'm going to be single player, that I'm going to have to unlock before I get a chance to, do another achievement for certain really good green items. It's not on this map, it's on a different stage too. But we'll worry about that when the time comes. I need to remember where that disposable missile launcher was, because... Oh, so, if you see down on the bottom right corner, my thing is now like a hat. Now, if I hit it, it does that in the chat. It's really fun to get one of these to an equipment drone, because like every 20 seconds or something like that, just in the chat you see just ahoy pop up in the chat, and it just does it until either you die or that equipment drone dies, whichever comes first. Excuse me. That's the Jade Elephant. I never checked back here, I realized. Did I? I don't know. Let me double check. Well, regardless if I did or didn't, there is a barrel back here, and that's it. So, not too worried about that. Oh, hey, there's a chest here, though. Something good? I won't complain. More chance to proc. Sticky bomb. Sticky bomb. What the hell happened to the disposable missile launcher? Where did it go? I got it out of a Shrine of Chance, didn't I? Oh, hey, look. Straggler. I think there's another one, too. there is no longer another one. Come on, man. I wanted that disposable missile launcher to use. Well, see, the other solution to why I can't find it is that I am incredibly stupid, you know. Just a wee bit. Yeah. We're gonna make like a banana and split. As I slowly creep my way over with my 0 movement items. You love to see it. Okay, just don't give me Scorched Acres, please. I would love anything besides Scorched Acres as this stage. Oh, no. I like this map, but I just don't like what I'm seeing that I have to deal with. I'll take a Void Seed any day, but a Void Jailer, a Corrupted Magma Worm, I need to run. No. So we're gonna try this. Oh. Did not know that's how you unlock Dio's best friend. He's not dead! Now he is. Oh, there's a Void Reaver. You know, I shouldn't be focused so much on killing the big dudes as just killing things. I have the goddamn Ceremonial Dagger, which means for every dude I kill... this might be him. Wait, nope, never mind, I'm incredible. Where'd he go? Hey, I actually sniped the tick. Those infestor things are really annoying. They're what make those dudes like the purple. And they power them up a bit, and they can do things like, I think it's called Collapse is the weakness effect. And, yeah, it just does a lot of damage. So that's what they've been attacking. But there's apparently a Void Reaver somewhere. Actually, I know there's a Void Reaver somewhere. What am I saying? What is hitting me? Oh. Got it. I mean, hey. Unlocked a few things there. I'm not going to complain too much. God, and I didn't complete the 3rd teleporter. It's fine, but hey, I got the other scope. This is, in my opinion, at least for a normal run, the ideal loadout on this character. Obviously, if I beat it, I get the other skin, which is very nice, but, of course I don't have that yet. But we will work on getting that here in the next run, you know, whenever we get to that. Alright, so, well, that's going to be all for this run. So, see y'all in the next one. Peace.